How to delete your Tumblr account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. So now, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on account settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find a section called delete account. Tap on delete account. So this is the section where you can delete or confirm to delete your account. Here simply enter the email that you want to delete and the account that is linked with it. Here at last tap on delete everything and everything related to your account will be completely gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.